Hi guys! In honor of fall just around the corner, my family and I decided to get into the spirit by decorating the house with some nice fall decorations, lighting up some scented candles, and baking the Foodstirs organic pumpkin spice pumpkin bars. So to get started, we put the Foodstirs mix in a bowl and added in an egg and 6 tablespoons of butter. It's 3 simple ingredients that you most likely already have in your kitchen. I mixed that up and poured that in a pan and packed that all nice and neatly together. I popped that in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes or until golden brown, and poured over some frosting, spread it out all nice and even, and they turned out like this. They were so yummy. My family and I sat around the couch and enjoyed them with a nice fall movie. Enjoy!